Hello! More traffic deaths on the nation's highways are caused by alcohol than any other single cause. Alcohol is a drug that slows the activity of the brain. This means that you will react more slowly when driving and will not have good judgment to make smart driving decisions. The amount or concentration of alcohol in the blood or breath is known as alcohol concentration, or AC. Three of the factors that can influence a person's AC include: number 1, the alcohol content. In the average drink, the alcohol content is the same in a 12-ounce beer, a 4-ounce glass of wine, or a 1-ounce shot of liquor. Number 2, the period of time over which the alcohol was consumed. The more you consume, the longer it takes to sober up. This process is relatively slow, and it is a myth that you can sober up by drinking coffee, taking cold showers, or exercising. Number 3, the person's body weight. Larger people will have more blood and more fluids, which will dilute the alcohol consumed more than in a smaller person. There are a number of other factors not mentioned here. This is why it is so important to designate a driver before you have your first drink. Once you've taken your first sip, your judgment begins to become impaired. If you are under the age of 21 and have an alcohol content of 0.02 or more, your license will be suspended. Check with the rules of the road book for specific details. If you are convicted in court of a DUI, in addition to losing your license, you may also face mandatory fines and jail sentences. It is illegal for anyone, driver or passenger, to drink alcohol beverages in or on a motor vehicle. Any open containers must be placed in the trunk of a vehicle. A DUI is a very serious offense and can cost you up to $10,000. As a teen, it may also limit your ability to obtain certain jobs or college scholarships. You run the risk of killing yourself or someone else on the road. Killing another person forever changes the course of your life. It is important that you never drink and drive. Drugs and driving do not mix. Even certain cold tablets can affect your driving abilities by making you drowsy. Read all directions carefully before operating a vehicle. This presentation covered some, but not all of the very important details of drinking and driving. So please take time to read the Rules of the Road handbook before taking your permit or driver's license test. In closing, the North Dakota Department of Transportation reminds you that driving is a privilege, not a right. It's up to you to drive safely and follow the rules of the road so you can enjoy the privilege of driving.